Hi guys, welcome back after a long break. Sorry for the break, but I am back with a brand new video. Now IPL season is going fantastically and all are busy with making their own teams in Dream 11 and other cricket fantasy applications. But some iOS users can't download this application because the App Store don't shows this kind of application. Why? Because your Apple ID region is other than India. And in this video I show you how to change into India. I'm Shihab, you are watching Mr. Shihab.
If you search some apps like Dream 11, OLX India or MPL in App Store, the App Store might not show this application, and if you search in Safari, it says these apps are not available in your country/region. In this case, I show you how to download all applications available in India. First we have to do is go to settings and tap on your Apple ID and go to media and purchase. Then you have to enter an Apple ID password. From here select country/region and change country or region and select India from here. Read the terms and conditions and press agree. Here select none and you want to fill some details. Don't worry, it will not ask to fill up any bank details, just the street you are and city/town, state, and finally the phone number. After that, tap on next. Done. And now just restart your device. Now all applications of India is available in your App Store. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel and drop a like.